Hi, this is Lewis. I'm working on a basement remodel here, and in this bathroom that we're working on, you can see that we've done some plumbing. We've connected it to the existing plumbing already in the house. Done the rough framing for the plumbing wall, the rough framing for the shower installation. We have about 10 inches left on the end of this tub, and we'll build a small cabinet there. Here's the mixer valve, shower outlet, and the drain. On the floor, we're going to have a heated tile floor, so we pre-drilled a hole and we have a couple of pull wires already installed in the wall that will pull the electrical floor mat wires up to the thermostat. Right here at this point of the wall is going to be the outside wall of the bathroom. Right here, this little enclosure right here is going to be a retractable hose for the vacuum system that's already in the house. We ran some plumbing up and we connected it to the vacuum plumbing that's already in the ceiling. Now I'm going to install the retractable hose mechanism right here. I'll take another picture after I install that.